There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Chrysler 300C in gloss black. With bifunction halogen projector headlights, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO front brakes, remote start system, dual exhaust with black tips, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 300 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated and cooled front console cup holder, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number TM30041.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.